Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I was talking with somebody in my Zello chat channel, and they're going to, I want them to check their SWR on their duplexer. And I thought, well, let me check mine because I believe they have the same duplexer and pretty much the same meter as I got. So I'll check mine here, and then I'll have something to compare to when they check theirs. So I get it all out, I'm checking it, and I got the Nano hooked up, and I got the Nano hooked up to the computer program, and I read about 1.5 SWR on my duplexer. So I thought, well, okay, whatever. So then I get my little meter here, and I put the radio on the same frequency. These two are on the same frequency. So I hook up my little radio to my duplexer. Of course, my duplexer has a dummy load on it. And I get 1.01. I'm like, well, wait a minute here. I mean, it should be kind of close. So I thought, well, maybe one of them is just not being accurate. So luckily, I have this RF demo kit, and this demo kit has different test points on it. There is one here that's 75 ohm, that's 1.5 SWR reading. There's one here that's 33 ohm, that's 1.5 SWR reading. So now you know what I'm going to do next here. Since I have a known SWR reading, we're going to hook it up to the Nano and the radio using the watt meter, and let's see what the watt meter says, or the SWR meter says. So I have it hooked up to the Nano as we speak. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not very well, but we're going to try it. I'm going to try to zoom in, and I'm going to show you what the Nano says for a reading. I don't know if I can turn on some light here, maybe. Well, not the best. It says, if you can read that, 1.475. Here's the frequency I'm running at. So that's pretty accurate. That's pretty close. You can see it right here on the board. This is where I have it hooked up to. If I zoom this over, right here. 33 ohm, 1.5 SWR. Okay? So what we're going to do, I'm going to unhook this. We're going to put it over here. This is 75 ohm at 1.5. And you're probably wondering why, and I'll explain why I'm doing this. Obviously, I did this test earlier, and I want to show you what's going on. Okay, I snapped it on there. Now, I'm on this one now, 75 ohm, 1.5 for SWR. The Nano is saying 1.7 for SWR, which is going to be because I kind of damaged this resistor. It's a little service mount resistor right here. Little service mount resistor. I have to replace that, and I'll show you how I damaged it. But sometimes for the sake of science, you got to make sacrifices. Or for the sake of YouTube videos, I got to make sacrifices. So this is how I damaged that resistor. And I knew it was going to do that, but I needed proof here. So this is why we're reading kind of high. This resistor is starting to open up. You'll see why. But at any rate, my point is I'm reading 1.7 SWR. So we're going to unhook the Nano. We're going to hook up the handheld. I'm going to put the handheld on low wattage. I'm doing that now. I don't want to run high wattage, although I already did for an experiment, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and let me get this on low wattage. And give me a minute. Okay. Now it's on low, and now let me make sure I got the same frequency in here. Okay, good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to unhook. I have a little dummy load I had hooked up to this. That's my little dummy load. We're going to hook this up. We're going to hook this test board up. Now, I should read about 1.7 for SWR. This resistor is starting to open up, and this is the reason why it's opening up, and which is okay. I can replace the resistor. I'm not worried about it, but I want to show proof here. Okay, so now let's change this maybe to a different layout. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if you can. So now we're hooked up. You probably can't. Let's see if I can turn this a little bit. I want to show all this so that everyone knows exactly what I'm doing. Okay. 75 ohm, 1.5 for SWR. Now, this is not recommended. Do not do this. This resistor cannot handle this wattage, even on low power. We're going to key it up quick, and I want to see what this meter, what this radio says. So, let's key it up, and you guys watch the screen. I'm just going to do a quick key up. 1.01. Huh. So, it makes me kind of wonder here how accurate this SWR meter is. This is not looking good. This should be 1.75 approximately. And it's not. So the question is my meter even reading SWR correctly? Well, let's do another test. You said, 1.71 is the wattage I had out of here. So I'm going to unhook this test board. This is why that resistor is opening, because I'm putting in about 1 watt through that little resistor. I can replace the resistor. It's obviously it's a 75 ohm resistor. So if you ever guys want to know how to test your nano, get yourself a 75 ohm resistor, 1 watt resistor, 2 watt resistor, and make sure it's like a 1% tolerance, and then you can hook it up to your nano, and you should be able to get about 1.5 SWR reading. But make sure the resistor is like a 2 watt resistor, or even a 5 watt if you really want to, do this without burning up. I'll replace this service mode, like I said before, on here. That's not a big deal. Let's go ahead and refocus this if I can. There we go. Okay, so now we got the dummy load hooked up. This is like a, 5 watt, 10 watt, whatever it is. Let's go ahead and key this up. Look at that. Still says 1.01, which should be expected. It's a dummy load. Should be a perfect match. And we get about 1.25 wattage on here. So the meter, that seems to be working. But what about my SWR? Why is my SWR not changing? So we're going to do something. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, no, you can't do that. Well, I'm going to do it. We're going to take the dummy load off, and you know what's coming next, don't you? We're going to take the dummy load off. Look at that. Now, do not do this. This is not recommended. But for the sake of YouTube, I need proof. I need to figure this out. There's no dummy load. I'm on low wattage. That SWR should jump up pretty quick. And if it don't, there's something wrong with this meter. Let's key it up quick. Real quick. Here we go. Starting to go up. I don't want to key it too long. Okay. So, look at that. We went up. What happens if I go to high power? Does it go up more? Let's try it. Yeah, I know. People are going to say, oh, you're going to wreck your radio. Well, if you do it quick and don't dead key it real long, it should be okay. Do I recommend doing this? No. But we're going to do it for the sake of YouTube. So let's go put this radio on high wattage. Okay. Now we're in high wattage. Put it right here for proof so you can see all this. No dummy load. That SWR should go through the ceiling. Let's refocus this. Okay. Nothing's hooked up. You can see that for proof. Okay. We're going to key this up quick. High power. Look at that. Boom. 19.9. Well, geez, it sounds like it's working. Let's put the dummy load back on. And we'll rekey it again. I think this is a, what is this called? A SURECOM meter. Maybe someone should forward this video to SURECOM and see what they say. There, put the dummy load back on. You can see the SWR when the dummy load was off was 19.9. Now we're going to key up. We're in high power. Of course, it should be a perfect match because it's a dummy load. Let's put it on. Let's key it up. Let's see if I hurt the radio. 1.01 and 5.75 for wattage. So I don't know. I'm not really sure why this thing cannot read anything. It seems like if it's anything below 2, I don't know, unless I'm doing something wrong here, but this should read 1.7 for SWR because this resistor is starting to open due to me pumping in 1 watt of power through it. It should read the same reading as the Nano. This Nano is very accurate, and the software for the Nano is also accurate. I also checked that. So why am I not reading that? I don't know. Maybe the meter is not sensitive enough. I'm not really sure. I may have to forward this video to SURECOM and see what they have to say. So, at any rate, if you guys have any questions or comments or any suggestions, please post them down below. And please subscribe. And thank you. And have a good day.